Hi, a long time no see. Yeah, it's been a long time, guys. Anyway, as you read by the title, I'm gonna do my first Rubik's Cube competition now. Today. I was supposed to do this video recording, this intro, before I fell asleep. And of course, knowing my luck, I went through 100 video recordings and smacked down dead. Anyway, so I am super excited. I got my 2 Rubik's Cubes I'm gonna be competing in. So yeah, super nervous, like a little less nervous, but it's been 3 days since I last practiced, which is not good. I'm a little clanky. I know, this is not good. This is definitely not good. Look at how, it's so slow. We'll do 1 practice solve before we leave, and that's all I'm just gonna do. Then they have, I would never be able to do these in competitions. Okay, this is just terrifying. And then, of course, my allergies are going to be a problem. I don't know. Hopefully not. Anyway, yeah. That's the down low. I'm going to drive there because my first Rubik's Cube competition at 16 is not a proud what I would say. But, you know, hopefully they are open, don't mock me. Oh, this is your first Rubik's Cube. Hopefully, but I've done a semi-professional, not even like on the WCA, but on the platform of World. But nothing. It's just actual. Just a couple of my friends got together. Not Luck and Pies World wasn't there, but it was at a church camp. A lot of kids know how to solve Rubik's cubes, so we solved the Rubik's Cube, got second. Terrible stuff. But anyway, yep, here we go. Let's do this. See a time lapse of me solving this. Well, I finally made it to the Rubik's Cube competition. And I'm not doing so well in the Rubik's Cube department. Obviously not. 3x3 is doing terrible, getting a minute. And then I got the glorious 2x2, which is, ain't that good either, because I'm getting like 40 seconds, which is the worst time ever. And then I got the 3x3, which I'm getting my minute. So yeah, that's not great either. So I know I'm not going to get any placing, but hopefully I don't get last. That's my goal. Like I said before, last place is the loser place. And I'm not going to lose. Promise me that. So I am going to make a time lapse of my Rubik's Cube solves because it takes too long. Plus, I don't want to see my humiliation. yeah, I didn't do so well at the competition. I got second to last in each bracket of my competition, which is not the worst. It's still the best. So now we're gonna have a montage of me driving. Let's move this up to the speedometer. Anyway, me driving into just back. It'll be a little time lapse or whatever they call it. I've always wanted to do these because this would be hilariously fun. I don't know why, but I just thought this would be really cool. But yeah, it's a little sad that I didn't make it. Obviously, I really wanted to, but of course, you know, when time calls, when things happen. You know, training. I need to learn different algorithms, but people are still pretty good at this. Yeah, but you know, I'm not the best at anything. True. I'm really not at all. So, but what can you do, man? I could probably be the best of this, but I couldn't actually. I'm terrible at this, not gonna lie. Like, I would lose every time. Yeah, true. But hey, you know, I need to learn all the fastest algorithms out there. And then once I do that, it's easy dubs every day. Because then I can just practice that. So if I get fluent with it, and breaking records is something I need to do. So 2x2, I need to learn the fastest time. I don't care how long it takes. I'm gonna go to Not Like Pies World, pay him if it has to learn these methods. That's all I'm gonna do. But yeah. So that's pretty much it. Now we're just gonna have a sad montage. And a bit. Just a bit. Cool beans. Bye. So the video did well, hopefully, and I did not do so well. Got second in each bracket, so the 2x2 and 3x3. I got second to last. Hear that out. Second to last. So that's not fun. But we're good. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I heard they're gonna do another Rubik's Cube competition in my area. Hopefully another time, and more and more. Soon enough, I will become greater than Not Lock in Pies World. I'll be Column, I don't know, Max Park. There you go. Not really, no. But anyway, hopefully you guys hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Peace out and bye-bye. Pie and Pie is out. Woo!